Good morning. Let me take a minute to introduce myself. My name is Nur Najwa Binti Hamzah, and today I would like to talk about the cause and the effect of air pollution. Thank you for being here, and this topic will take a few minutes to talk. I have divided my topic into two subtopics, and which is the cause of the air pollution and the effect of air pollution. Air pollution is one of the threats to the children. 99% people in the world in place where the air is considered unhealthy. When children breathe the toxic air, it will harm their health and jeopardize their future. For children to grow up healthy, they need a clean and safe air. Here are some ways you can reduce air pollution in your environment to help to protect children from this impact. The subtopic of the cause air pollution is firstly is combustion of fossil fuel. Secondly, emission from industry and factories. Thirdly, agricultural activities, and lastly, waste production. For the sixth subtopic is the effect of air pollution. The first point is on the environment. Second point is global warming. The final point is on human health. Let me begin by saying that the cause of the air pollution is fossil fuel. It's like a coal for electricity and road transport, as you can see at this picture. For instance, producing the air pollutant like nitrogen and sulfur dioxide. Next, let's turn to the second point is emission from industry and factories. Let me give you an example. It will release in the large amount of carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, chemical and organic compound into the air, as you can see in this picture. Now, let's move on to the agricultural activities. As you can see in this picture, beside me is the cause of agricultural activities. A case in point due to the use of pesticide, insecticide, and fertilizer that will harmful of the chemicals. Lastly, the waste production. The cause of the waste production when throwing the garbage into the large area without dispose them incidental of burn. For instance, the garbage will burn by itself. It's mostly because of the methane generation in landfills. Now, I will talk about the effect of air pollution. First point of air pollution is on the environment. Air pollution has a major impact in the process of the plant revolution by preventing the photosynthesis, in many cases with a serious consequence of purification of the air that we breathe. It also contributes to the formation of acid rain, atmosphere precipitation in the form of rains, frost, snow, or fog, which are released during the combustion of the fossil fuel and transformed by contact with water stream in the atmosphere in the picture that I have shown you. The second point of effect is global warming. On top of that, the air pollution has a major contribution to the global warming and climate change. Let me give you an example. The abundance of carbon dioxide in the air is one of the cause of the greenhouse effect. Normally, the presence of the greenhouse should be beneficial to the Earth because they absorb the infrared radiation produced by the surface of the Earth. As a matter of the fact, the excessive concentration of the gas in the atmosphere is the cause of the recent climate change, like the photo that I show you. For the last one of the effect is on human health. In fact, our continued exposure to air pollution is responsible for the deterioration of human health. Air pollution is indeed a significant a risk factor for human health conditions, such as causing an allergies, respiratory and cardiovascular disease, as well as lung damage, which is these fine particles of human health like shortness of breath, wheezing, cold skin, chest pain, and fatigue. For the ground level ozons, difficulty breathing, shortness of breath, sore throat, weakening and coughing, and fatigue. This is the effect of the air pollution. Conclusion is, I like to review the four main points. The main point, which is the three causes of the air pollution. First, combustion of fossil fuel. Next, the agricultural activities. 3. The emissions from industry factory. And lastly, the effect of air pollution is divided by 3 sections, which is the environmental, secondly global warming, and lastly on human health. Let me finish by saying that we should save our earth by not using the plastic bag, by bringing the bags from our house. Next, don't litter the trash everywhere, but put it on the bin that has been provided. Thank you for your attention.